The Tezos XTZ cryptocurrency aims to help power Tezos, a blockchain that adjusts itself and, theoretically, never has to go through a hard fork. What is happening to it, and what is the latest Tezos price prediction? Before we look into that, we should have a run-through of XTZ's price history. While past performance is never a guaranteed indicator of future results, it is worth looking at what Tezos has done and how it has reacted to events in the past to give some context to an XTZ coin price prediction. When Tezos was launched in the open market in 2017, it was worth a decent amount for a new coin. On October 2nd, it was available for about $1.66. There were some ups and downs, but when XTZ started being traded, the crypto market was on the verge of a massive boom period. Tezos was caught up in this and shot up to an all-time high of $12.19 on December 17th. The price soon corrected itself and XTZ spent much of the next few months trading somewhere in the region of $2 and $4. By July 2018, however, the price fell back to somewhere between $1 and $2, and this was followed by a spell in 2019 where it was worth less than $1. There was some recovery to above $1 towards the end of the year. In 2020, the first few months saw it traded around and above $3, but then there was pullback to see it hover around $2, and it closed the year at $2.02. January 2021 saw some positivity around the XTZ price, with a monthly high of $3.39 on January 23 followed by a close of $2.84, up more than 40% from the end of December 2020. In February, the ongoing boom in the crypto markets saw Tezos caught up in the excitement, with a monthly high of $5.58 on February 14, representing a rise from the previous month's best figure of just under 65%. The closing score of $3.41 was not just up 20% from January's close, it was also slightly higher than that month's high, too. March saw more growth, with a sustained run above $4 culminating in a monthly high of $4.91 intraday on March 31. This high was followed by a very slight fallback to close both the day and month at $4.86. While the coin did not quite reach the heights it had hit in February, it managed to be more consistent and sustainable, with the price at close up about 42.5% month-on-month. This sort of sustainability would have served as a boost for a Tezos coin price prediction. April was another month of growth, at least for the first part. The sustained spell above $4 meant the $5 mark would be next to fall, and that happened on the very first day of the month, with an intraday high of $5.38 followed by a close of $5.16. There was still more room for growth, though, and the $6 barrier was the next one to fall, with an intraday high of $6.46 on April 6. The coin did not stop climbing, and the $7 mark was smashed on April 10, before a monthly high of $7.67 on April 17. This rise was followed by a fall, and the coin closed the month at $5.61, still up more than 15% from the end of March, but down more than 25% from the monthly high. Things changed in May. Initially, things still looked upbeat. There was a monthly high of $8.40 on May 7th. The price slid down but was still operating in the mid to high $5 mark when disaster struck. The great crypto day crash of May 19 saw Tezos caught up in the maelstrom. On May 19, the coin enjoyed an intraday high of $5.84, but then it lost more than half its value to hit an intraday low of $2.89. There was some recovery to close at $3.62, but the damage was done and the monthly close of $3.61 saw it down more than 35% month-on-month. June saw a recovery delayed, with a month-on-month drop of more than 15% to $3.04. Remarkably, July saw the coin close at exactly the same figure, meaning that, in the more medium term, there was no movement at all. August was a better time for the crypto. There was some growth, and when the price hit $5.40 on August 25, it was above $5 for the first time since May, and it broke through $6 for the first time since that month when it reached an intraday high of $6.13. The monthly close of $5.13 was not just up 68.75% from the previous month, but, crucially, it was the highest monthly close since April. September and October saw more encouragement, with the coin reaching a flat $8 for the first time since before the crash on September 14. While there was some pullback, the coin had a better closing price than any of the previous months of the year at $6.08, which was up about 18.5% month-on-month. The coin managed to hit its 52-week high when it stood at $9.18 on October 4th. This was not sustainable, and it closed the month at $6.32, a month-on-month rise of just under 4%. November and December had been a comparatively weak period. The recorded high was 5 November's opening high of $6.87, but the price spiraled down below $6 for a sustained period. The price had dipped to a closing low of $4.31 on November 28. Closing lows of $3.30 were recorded on December 4th, with a short-lived recovery to an average price of $5.91 on December 9th. This was down to multiple changes in an already volatile market. Omicron worries dominated investors' minds, along with reduced investor confidence as a result of the tumbling value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies, as well as increasingly advanced state regulation. January 2022 saw more worries for investors. XTZ had closed 2021 at $4.35, and the first month of the new year saw it dip to $3.49 by the month's end. On February 1st, a State of the Network report from Coinmetrics revealed that Tezos transactions and smart contract activity had surged in the past year, largely due to demand from NFT platforms. According to Coinmetrics, daily transactions jumped in August of 2021 as Tezos launched an upgrade that cut average block times in half. It also showed that the number of addresses holding at least one XTZ, which recently surpassed 300,000, rose from 120,000 at this time the previous year. In addition, the number of active smart contract addresses have steadily been increasing, likely as a result of new NFT contracts launching, according to the report. Any upbeat news following the report, and there was some, with the price rising to $4.59 on February 9th, was snuffed out when Russia invaded Ukraine on February 24th, which saw the price of XTZ drop to $2.57. Since then, though, there has been something of a recovery, with the price going up to $3.66 on March 1st. After that, though, came a slump, and not even the news that Swiss fintech company Pelorin was to launch a mobile wallet on the Tezos network could stop the price dipping below $3. As of the afternoon of March 14th, XTZ was worth about $2.96. Later on in the month, bullish market conditions pushed the price up and the growth continued into April, with the price reaching $4.12 on April 2nd. When China instituted an crypto ban on April 11th, though, the price of XTZ was hit and there appeared to be nowhere out of the slump, with it trading at around $2.85 on the afternoon on April 25th. Since then, the price has continued to drop and, on May 6, 2022, it was worth about $2.45. Things soon got even worse and, with the depegging of the Terra USD stablecoin and the collapse of its associated Luna cryptocurrency shaking the market, it fell to $1.46 on May 12. Since then, though, it has shown some signs of recovery and, on May 26, it reached a high of $2.25. Dreams of renewal were, unfortunately for investors, soon put on hold, and the price fell down again, and, on June 8, it was worth $2.04. After this, the cancellation of withdrawals on the Celsius crypto lending network confirmed that cryptocurrency was in a bear market and, on June 18, XTZ fell to $1.20. After that, though, there was some recovery and, on June 28, 2022 it was worth about $1.66. With that out of the way, let's take a look at what people are saying about a Tezos price prediction. Predictions are very often wrong, however, and many long-term forecasts are made via an algorithm and can change at any time. Digital Coin Price Tezos price prediction for 2022 says that XTZ could reach an average of $2.19 at some point this year. Its Tezos price prediction for 2023 suggests that the token can trade at an average of $2.45. The Tezos price prediction for 2025 is around the $3.27 mark. Wallet Investor has a Tezos price prediction which sees it drop to $1.03 in a year's time. Gov Capital has a more optimistic Tezos price prediction of $4.99 on June 28, 2023, and around $25.40 in 5 years' time. The site's prediction for 2022 is for the coin to close the year at around $2.58. A Tezos price prediction for 2030 comes from priceprediction.net and suggests XTZ will trade at an average of $45.51 that year.